Hey everyone, welcome back to Craystar Flavor King, your go-to channel for delicious and easy-to-make recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best golden sweet cornbread from scratch. This cornbread is not only incredibly tasty, but also super easy to whip up. This recipe is perfect alongside chili, ribs, or barbecue chicken. Imagine a warm slice of cornbread soaking up all those delicious juices. And guess what? You can even use it to make stuffing for your Thanksgiving feast. It's versatile and adds a wonderful touch to any meal. My mom used to make this for me when I was a kid, and now it's my family's favorite. It's a recipe that's been passed down through generations, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get started. First, let's gather all our ingredients. Having everything ready before you start makes the process so much smoother. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Make sure to measure it accurately for the best results. Next, you'll need 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. This gives the cornbread its beautiful golden color and unique texture. Add 2/3 cup of white sugar. This will give your cornbread that perfect hint of sweetness. You'll also need 3½ teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. These will help your cornbread rise and enhance the flavor. And don't forget 1 cup of milk to bring everything together. Finally, measure out 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and crack 1 large egg. These ingredients will add moisture and richness to your cornbread. Alright, with everything ready, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Preheating is crucial for even baking. Lightly grease a 9-inch round cake pan. This will ensure that your cornbread doesn't stick and comes out perfectly. Now, in a large bowl, we're going to whisk together the flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure it's all nicely combined. Look at that beautiful mixture. Next, we'll add the milk, vegetable oil, and egg. These wet ingredients will bring our dry ingredients to life. Whisk everything together until the batter is smooth and well combined. You want a nice, even consistency. Look at that lovely batter. It's ready to be poured into our prepared pan. Pour the batter into your prepared pan. Smooth it out if you need to, so it bakes evenly. Now pop it in the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Once it's done, let it cool a bit before slicing it up. This will make it easier to cut and serve. Serve it warm with butter, jam, honey, or your favorite spread. Trust me, it's going to be a hit. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can find the full recipe and backstory in the description below. Happy baking, and enjoy your golden sweet cornbread. See you next time on Craystar Flavor King.